Hi, welcome to Julie's Tips Learn How to Use Folk. In this video, I'll explain how to organize your contacts using Folk's data model. From creating groups to tracking key information effectively, this video is fundamental to get you up and running on Folk. When you start on Folk, you start by creating a workspace. A workspace is a collaborative hub where you'll work with your team. In Folk, your workspace is built around groups. What is a group in Folk? Think of a group as a smart, dynamic contact database tailored to a specific workflow or type of contact. For example, prospecting, clients management, or partners management. By default, your workspace starts with 3 group templates: leads, clients, and partners. Each group is like a master list where you track specific objects. It's the area where you're going to store, organize, and display your data. There are 3 standard objects you can track in a group: people, companies, and deals. Best practices for setting up your groups. To keep things clean and actionable, we recommend setting up 3 to 5 groups based on your existing workflows. Ask yourself, do these contacts follow a different workflow? Will I need to report on them differently? If yes, it's worth having a dedicated group. For instance, we do not recommend creating a group by prospect geography, or by prospect category, or by sales owner. You should centralize them all in one group as your master list of prospects. Create tags to qualify them and use filtered views to segment them within the group. The reason is that you might want at a point to see them all in the same pipeline and have a dashboard showing your data about all your prospects at once. Dashboards are linked to one group. Best practices for choosing contact types. In your group, choose the view based on the type of object you are managing. If you are working with individuals, create a people view to track details specific to each person, like leads. If you are targeting organizations, use a company view to track company-level information. You can then reach out to the people associated with those companies. If you manage multiple opportunities per lead, use the deal view to track each opportunity separately. Deals can be linked to both people and companies, giving you full visibility into your pipeline. Customize your groups with custom fields. Once your group is created, you can customize it with custom fields to track what matters. For example, in your leads group, you might want to track the lead source as a tag, the status, the expected ARR as a value, the industry, or the sales owner as an assigned field. These custom fields let you qualify your contacts and bring structure to your process. Organize your group with views. Once your data is structured, you can create views to segment contacts based on any field. Filter by industry, owners, or group by lead status. You can even activate contacts in a pipeline so you can move them through different stages like contacted, qualified, or converted. To summarize, use groups to separate workflows or contact types. Keep it simple. 3 to 5 groups is a good start. Choose the right type of object, people, company, or deals, depending on the workflow. Add custom fields to qualify your contacts. And use views to segment your groups by geography, owner, or anything else. With these tips and best practices, you can get started in minutes in Folk.